Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good day to all of you. My name is Aisyah Maria from Universitas Dianusantoro. Today, I'm honored to present my research entitled The Influence of Profitability, Liquidity, Leverage, and Firm Size on Financial Distress in Non-Food Retail, 2021 to 2024. Background and problem. The non-retail sector has a vital role in Indonesia's economy, but its performance has weakened. Bank Indonesia reported a 4.7% drop in the retail sales index in January 2025, while e-commerce growth slowed to only 0.5%. Companies such as PT Mitra Adi Perkasa (TPK) also recorded a significant decline in growth. These conditions signal potential financial distress. At the same time, previous, previous studies on profitability, liquidity, leverage, and firm size produce inconsistent findings, leaving a clear research gap. Objective and methods. This study aims to analyze the influence of profitability, liquidity, leverage, and firm size on financial distress in non-food retail companies listed on the EDX between 2021 and 2024 using a quantitative method with secondary data. I selected 25 companies with purposive sampling, resulting in 100 observations. The data were analyzed using multiple linear regression in SPSS 25, focusing on both simultaneous and partial effects. Key finding. The results show that profitability and liquidity have a positive and significant effect on financial distress, while leverage and firm size don't show significant effect. The determination test indicates that 37% of variation in financial distress can be explained by these variables, while the rest are influenced by other factors. Overall, both the F-test and T-test confirm that only profitability and liquidity serve as reliable predictors. Interpretation results. This finding emphasizes that profitability and liquidity are the most critical indicators, consistent with signaling theory. However, excessively high levels might also indicate inefficiency. In contrast, levered and firm size didn't show significant effect, which differs from some early studies. This suggests that depth level may be well managed, and larger firm size doesn't always guarantee financial stability. Implication of findings. In practice, this result suggests that managers should prioritize maintaining healthy profitability and liquidity to reduce distress risks. Regulators should also pay closer attention to these two indicators rather than focusing solely on firm size or leverage ratios. Broadly, the finding highlight that sustaining profit and cash flow is more crucial than scale or depth in ensuring resilience for non-food retail companies in volatile markets. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I look forward to your question. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.